Morning, Brighton. Firstly, if you could all just send a tweet with the hashtag FOTB, we'll try and get something up on the screen in just a minute. But firstly, my name is Trevor Boyle. I grew up in country South Australia. I shifted to Adelaide, where I did 2 degrees and a master's, during which I learned a little bit of Flash. I've been working with Flash for about 10 years now. I built a few websites and then decided to shift to London, where I've been for the past 3 years, whoring myself out to various digital agencies. But to keep myself sane and keep creative, I build web applications and Flash experiments, some of which make it to the web, very few. This is one that has made it. I built this about 3 years ago, originally in AS2, but have ported it over to AS3. This uses the bitmap data class to get the colour of the video or the image and tint the squares, and if it's within 3 different colour levels, it then scales it accordingly. I've got a webcam version as well on my blog, and that's also be available on my blog from Thursday. The other thing I like to do is explore new web technologies and APIs. I've built Flickr apps, Facebook apps, and this is Twitter. So did anyone manage to get their tweet up on time? Give us a woo if you see a name. No? No one? Okay, the last thing I want to talk about is ActionScript, pronounced ActionScript. 4 weeks ago, I realised I told John that I'd be doing a talk called I Can't Draw But I Can Program, and 4 weeks ago I realised that I had nothing to show. So I've spent my weekends and evenings building a generative art framework, which is now available on Google Codes. All of this art was pushed through that. The concept is that you have your algorithm or artist, and then you pass your artist a canvas, which is just a glorified sprite with a background colour. You pass it the colours you'd like it to draw with, which is a palette, and then you can provide it with some inspiration, which might be a Flickr image or a video stream or whatever you like. The artist then does the calculations and displays it to the screen accordingly. If you don't like that, you can press your space bar and it'll clear the canvas and redraw it for you. And then if you do like the image, you can Control S and it'll save it to your desktop as a large JPEG. Like I said, that's available on Google Code, so download, enjoy, and thanks very much.